Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the needle on a Singer Stylist 416 sewing machine. So first thing you want to do is you want to raise up your needle to the highest point that it'll go and keep your presser foot all the way down. That way you have room to move around nice and easy. So all you have to do is grab onto your needle with your finger and your thumb, take this screw right here, loosen it about half a turn, out comes the needle, and you'll notice the needle actually has a flat edge on it. So make sure when you get new needles that it has that flat edge on it or they won't fit properly. So when you get your new needle, take your flat edge, face it towards the back of the machine, slide it exactly where you got the old one out of, tighten up your screw, use your winding wheel to move the needle up and down a few times. Don't use your foot pedal, you just want to make sure that it's not going to catch, or maybe your new one's bent. So once you've confirmed that it's all good, then you can start sewing again. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.